Forget expensive dental treatments. I've got simple home remedies that will have your teeth looking brighter than ever. Did you know that nearly 75% of adults have some form of gum disease? That's a pretty shocking statistic, right? If you're like most people, you probably don't think about your dental health until something goes wrong. But what if I told you that you could clean your teeth effectively using simple home remedies? Let's dive into that! So, here's the deal. Maintaining good oral hygiene is super important, not just for a bright smile, but for your overall health too. There's this growing interest in natural alternatives to traditional toothpaste. People are looking for ways to keep their mouths healthy without all those chemical ingredients. You know, the ones we can't even pronounce? Today, I'm going to share some awesome home remedies that can help you keep your teeth clean and your gums healthy. Now, let's talk about some of the common dental issues that can pop up when we neglect our oral hygiene. You might experience cavities, bad breath, or even gum disease if you're not careful. And here's the kicker. Commercial toothpaste often contains ingredients that can be harsh on your teeth and gums. Many people are realizing that they want to avoid those chemicals and are looking for gentler, more natural solutions. This is where home remedies come into play. So, what are some of these home remedies? Don't worry, here's the solution, do you know? This mineral in your mouth, to rebuild your gums and teeth. It may sound odd, but it is scientifically proven. According to a Harvard scientist, swallowing these newly discovered bacteria is all you need to do to fix all your dental issues, from gum bleeding and teeth rotting to bad breath and cavities. These amazingly efficient bacteria work by reconstructing your enamel, the outer layer of your teeth, making them 20x stronger than a normal tooth. Like a titanium shield against cavities, root infection, and enamel erosion. Some say their teeth are now stronger than a dental implant. Who would have thought that a candy could save anyone struggling with tooth decay and inflamed gums? This natural, soft candy has stunned both scientists and people all around the world. Simply let it melt in your mouth after brushing your teeth to get rid of cavities almost overnight. It will not only restore your teeth, but also rebuild your gums and eliminate bad breath. See here the amazing results of 34,788 people who have already tried this. Check out the link in the description, and in only 10 seconds you will find out if your teeth have aged prematurely and whether you risk losing them in the next 2 years. Find the test in the description and what you can do to rejuvenate your teeth and gums. Click link in the description to do the test in the next 10 seconds.